Hello and welcome to another video of The Secrets of Wall Street. My name is Jose and today we're going to be talking about what happened in the market today. Today was a very boring day as far as the markets go. Very low volume. So let's talk about that and see what plays actually happened, because I have two plays for you to be looking out for, possible squeezes. I haven't really seen this in quite a while, so I kind of feel like this would be a good opportunity for us to explore and see if these plays actually start running up. So before we start talking about that, if anything, if you could like, subscribe, that would really help out the channel since I'm starting out, and I would appreciate any comments down below if you have any plays or any suggestions about what videos to do next. So today, let's take a look at here one of the stocks that I want to really talk about, and that's MMAT. Here is a play that I have, and this is MMAT. So MMAT is a play that pretty much has been on my radar for a while, but there hasn't been much traction. And I kind of feel like one of the things we were waiting was for one of the filings to go through. So that was effective. So now that filing has gone through, that was pretty much the catalyst for this stock for it to run. Pretty much the stock has pretty much started to run up. And as you see, today was up 30%. It's been mentioning a lot on Twitter and a lot of the forums on Reddit. So I kind of feel like there is a lot of traction as far as like people trying to push this stock to possibly go higher. So that's why I want to mention this stock, considering where it's been probably within the last 6 months and 1 year. It's still relatively low. This has run up to like $3 before. If you're looking for some sort of like breakaway stock, somewhere around, if I look here, like around the $3 mark, is probably like where I would at least start looking into this stock. This stock has had a run up before, and in my prior channel I had mentioned this stock before, and a lot of people made good money on this stock. Like, this was a stock that run up from literally like 20s all the way up to like $10. So the opportunity for that to keep going up is good. Here's a pretty much news as far as like sentiment within the insiders of the stock. The director, John Harding, he doubled down on the stock as well, and he purchased 126,000 shares. So you could read here pretty much like it's been opening pretty much higher, and the stock is a company that I kind of feel like has the catalyst and has the opportunity to go higher and actually stay at that level. So we'll see what happens. It's a stock that I kind of feel like would be good to look into. The other stock that kind of feel like I think we should be looking at would be COSM Holding. I couldn't really find too much about the company itself. I looked it up on Finviz, and if you could see here, like, it is a company. It's number 12 as far as like the shorted stock is shorted 32% of the float. So I kind of feel like why people are talking about it. So it being one of the more shorted stocks kind of makes sense. It's a very micro cap stock. I think like 4 to 5 million. So the opportunity for people to bring it up a bit is there. It ran up 21% today. After hours is up another 18%. So the possibility of it running a bit more is there as well. This is very early. I would say it's a bit earlier than MMAT. So if you're looking to throw a few dollars here and there, it would be a good stock to start. This doesn't have options. It does have shares, but it's relatively cheap. So if you're looking to test out the waters, maybe with a few dollars here and there, just to see how these stocks actually do run, I think pretty much now is a good entry point to actually do that before it runs up, if it does, to like $1 or $2. So the opportunity for this stock to keep going up is probably going to be presenting itself within the next day or two. So those are the two stocks that I have pretty much for today. As far as like the general market, Thanksgiving week is going to be a very low volatility week, very low volume. Today we didn't see much volume in SPY either, one of the lowest trading days of the year. So if you're looking for opportunity to just get into stocks where the volatility is still relatively low, maybe it's a good opportunity to do that. But sentiment isn't really doing too good. One other thing we're going to be talking about probably in a later video is the effect of FTX and what other companies are going to be affected by this. We're starting to little by little see the effect of these companies that were part of FTX or have maybe lend money to FTX, they're going to be affected on their balance sheets. So as they start coming up with more and more news, we'll start seeing the effect on the market, and it's going to be probably something that's going to affect the market probably in the short to midterm. So the market itself, I kind of feel like is on pins right now. We're just waiting for that next set of bad news to actually go lower. We'll see what actually happens. So I think that's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I kind of feel like this is going to be a good opportunity to actually mention some plays, and we'll see where we go from there. So thank you.